Are you ready to surrender to a disease, or are you ready for a fight back? So, if you are ready for a fight back, you must fight with the disease which have spoiled year 2020. Yes, I do understand your doctors have told that this is not curable disease. I do understand your reports are bad. I also understand your scan shows a incurable chronic disease. I also understand that you have met with the best of the specialists in the area of your disease, and still everybody has said nothing can be done. But there is a good news for you. There is no person in the world who knows everything in the world. There is nobody in the world, not even you, not even me, not even your doctor. You must be saying, no, sir, he's a specialist. He's an expert. Yes, but he is an expert in just one stream of treatment. Yes, he is an expert of just one stream of treatment. He cannot define the world. I have a lot of respect for your doctor, especially the specialists you have met, and I completely know that he have done a lot of hard work, but then he can tell you about one system. But what if I tell you that out of that system there is a hope? Out of that system there is a solution which you can utilize to make your 2021 a better year. So let me ask you a question again. Are you ready to surrender to the disease which has spoiled your 2020? Or are you ready to do a fight back? And if you are ready to do a fight back, I have few more points for you. If you are just thinking, oh, nothing can be done, probably my life is over, probably my life will go in with disease only, then let me ask you, you should ask yourself, what is the value of your life? See, God have given you this life. God, Almighty, Universe, whoso you believe in, He have given you this life, a precious life with lot of hopes, with lot of responsibilities, and with a purpose. So, practically speaking, your life is priceless. It is of immense value. It is of so much value that no one can calculate its value in just amount, lakhs or crores or millions or billions or even trillions. It cannot be counted. Because if I ask you, what is the value of your skin, complete skin? Just imagine you are exchanging your complete skin for a rupee, for some rupees. So you are taking some money and giving out your whole skin. Is it possible? It is not possible because you are absolutely precious. Almighty may have chosen a different life for you, a insect or a reptile or a plant. But here you are, blessed with a human existence. And if you are blessed with human existence, it is a right time that you must understand the value of your life. It is not in millions, it is not in billions, it is not even in trillions. Actually, it is priceless. You are the God's most precious creation, and this you need to understand right now. Once you understand the value of your life, you should switch on to understand the value of your relationships. Who is the most important person for you in your family? Is it your wife? Or there are cute little kids? Or your most loving parents? Or maybe you have some more people in your family? Or you are so precious, so loving and so caring, so favorite of everybody that whole of the family want to see you healthy. Think who want to see you healthy, and then think what is the value of their happiness in you, in your mind. So think of the value of your relationship with everybody, each and everybody in home. Then value of your relationship with your friends. You are such an awesome friends, or at least you yourself are your friend. So all these friends want you to be all right. They want you to be healthy. They want to see you healthy. They want to see you back to health. Your family wants you healthy. Your relatives wants you healthy. Your wife wants you to be healthy. Your parents want to see you healthy so dearly. They are waiting for you to just recover, and then they will smile. The tears will flow from their eyes, the tears of happiness. They are just waiting to see you healthy. And you can be reason of your parents' smile and your all the relatives' smile. Then also think, what is the value of your dreams and goals? I know as a human being, you must have thought about something, some dreams, some goals. Maybe having a nice home, building a nice office, or going on a world tour, or doing something very amazing, something completely unique which nobody have ever done. But what happened to those dreams? Where are these goals? Where are your relationship goals? Where are your career goals? So what happened to your life goals? One single disease? Okay. Two diseases cannot spoil your life completely. Only one person can spoil, and that is you. If you allow these diseases to overpower you, you are going to spoil everything. And if you understand the value of your life and value of your relationship, value of your parents' smile, value of the responsibility of kids. See, your kids are just because of you, right? And now they are your responsibility. If you sit just devastated, losing all the hope, whom should those kids look at for their inspiration, for the hope, for the support whole of the life? Where should they look at? So they have nobody except you who is going to train them. Never lose hope. And I hope you understand. You cannot teach your kids never lose hope without you yourself bringing hopes in this moment of your life. So if 2020 is bad, don't worry. You can still make your 2021 better. And therefore we have launched the mission Fight Back 2021. I'm not going to talk about mission a lot here. I just want to talk about you in this video. Now if you are married, you have brought in somebody in your home, your spouse. She will have left everything and she's here just for you, just because of you. Now she's sad, she's nervous, she's depressed because she sees you in pain. You are sick. She wants you to be healthy. Are you going to try your best to become healthy again? Or you want to be a loser, a victim who has just lost to the disease? Think before you decide. And now think, when Almighty have created you, there is some purpose in your creation. There was some reason for your creation. Nothing and nobody in the world is created without a purpose. Not even rocks, not even sand, not even water, not even insects, not even sea animals, not even any land animal. Nothing is without a purpose. What is your purpose? Are you aware of your purpose? Are you ready to explore your purpose? Are you ready to give complete energy to your purpose? Maybe your purpose may be benefiting your family. Maybe your purpose may benefit your city. Maybe your purpose benefits the whole of the society. Maybe your purpose benefits whole of the state. Or maybe your purpose benefits whole of the country. Or maybe your purpose is to help the environment. Maybe your purpose will help the planet. Maybe your purpose is helping whole of the human mankind. Maybe there is something great in store for you. But this great to unfold, you need to fight back. You don't need to surrender to disease. Just fight back and see lot of beautiful things will unfold. They are waiting for you. They are waiting for you to take a decision. They are waiting for you to fight back. They are waiting so that you are going to bounce back. They are waiting that this man is awesome. This woman is awesome. And he is going to fight back. So I want to see, are you ready to surrender or are you ready to fight back? And if you want more information on this, just subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon, because I am going to create lot many videos inspiring you for being healthy. And I'm not just talking about reversing your disease or fight back 2021. We are actually doing it. But about doing it, how we are doing it, I'll be talking about it later. Till this video, I just want to ask one single question. Once again, are you ready for a fight back? Are you ready to put in all the efforts to make your 2021 an awesome year? Let me see your comments. I'm waiting for your comments and I will love to reply to you. So guys, right now, I want your comments. Are you ready to surrender? Are you ready to fight back? Let me see.